Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and this is a detailed tutorial on how to crochet a bird step by step. All rows in this wing are crocheted through the back loop. This is an easy crochet bird wing pattern. I will voice every stitch step by step. I make a ring of yarn like this. And now I will connect each row with it using a slip stitch. First row 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chain stitches and 4 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slip stitch. And now turn and make 4 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Now make 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a slip stitch. Turn and make 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Turn and make 8 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and slip stitch. Turn and make 8 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make 3 chain stitches. Turn and make 10 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And make slip stitch. Turn and make 10 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make 3 chain stitches. Turn and make 12 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and make a slip stitch. Turn and make 12 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, turn and make 14 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and slip stitch. Turn and make 14 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And now we make 4 chain stitches and make 17 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and make last slip stitch. Now we will tighten it and fix the thread. Crochet the second wing in the same way. These were easy to crochet wings. Do it yourself. Continuation in the next video.